Hey everyone, Audio Hi-Fi 2 here. Today we are going to have a look at this Pioneer amplifier. Now this is a 150 watts. So let's get it down from here. We're not going to just be having a look at it today, we are going to take it apart. With my fancy little Bosch drill. Let's have a look inside. Turn my light on. So we don't lose it, let's stick it onto a magnet here. Stick it onto this one because that has the strongest magnet. Yes, that is a subwoofer that I done in the previous video. You guys might remember that. There we go, look at this thing. Woo! Oh wow. Guys, look at this. Check it out. That's a big transformer. Whoa. Guys, check it all out. It's like a little city in here. This is 150 watt amplifier being opened up by me. That's the transformer, that's the power supply unit. Oh my, this thing is massive. We're not going to fully take it apart. I just want to have a look at this. 24-volt fan. Not bad. Nidec. Interesting. Now, I thought there was another transformer like that, but it's a radio antenna thing. Yeah, it's quite dusty too. My dad's working outside. Oh, dusty thing. It ain't going anywhere, guys. That is the cover for the fan to protect it. Oh, all these relays as well. 5 amp, 5 amp, 5 amp. There's 4 of them. Look how dusty that is. Unbelievable. Interesting. So all the wires going in there. The power, the little switch down here, which is a voltage switch. $120, $127, $220 to $230. Watch. Ta-da! Clever. Watch. That's like that. That's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, it's time to pack it up because I gotta go help my mum with cooking. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy, give it a big fat thumbs up and stay tuned for more. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.